Today I am doing another makeup tutorial. I've been having fun with makeup again, and today I experimented with some Nyx products. Of course, I feel like it's really loud right here. It's okay, but I experimented with some Nyx products and I'm super excited. I used some of her like cream eyeshadow, and y'all, I loved this look, y'all. I feel like it came out so cute, like especially with my hair. I got that bust down middle part. Don't play with me, come on. She is not one of them. She is not one of them. Just stop. So I had fun doing this look. I feel like I was going for that kind of like, I feel like that kind of like smokers vibe. I don't know what I'm trying to say, like honestly, but I was inspired by like green. I did use my smoke session palette. Y'all, I'm always trying to do looks with this palette. This palette, sometimes it's frustrating to work with, but I feel like today I really snapped. And I don't always snap with this palette, so that's why I haven't really filmed with it, but yeah. So I did my thing, so without further ado, let's get to the video. Alright Gaiaverse, let's get into this beat. So obviously I'm gonna smoke in honor of the video, but I'm gonna prime my face with this Nivea Cream. Y'all, Aaliyah J put me on. This is for my dry girls, like my dry, flaky skin, eczema prone girls. Yes, I also used some of the Nyx beauty oil. As I said in my last video, I love this stuff now. Like, I feel like it is just amazing to prime your face and get it started, y'all. My skincare routine is very important now. I didn't take my skin routine as serious. Now I'm gonna start with my brows, and obviously I'm gonna carve them out first. Y'all, this has been my trick that I have been doing. Y'all, that's just what I'm doing. Like, that's what I'm doing now. I'm carving those brows out, and then I'm gonna fill them in. Oh, I had to show y'all, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, because I always forget to say what products I'm using. But yeah, Too Faced Born This Way concealer is always a staple. I'm gonna blend that out just so it's nice and blend it. And I'm actually gonna set my concealer with powder, because a lot of times when I wait, it creases. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set it immediately, and it just creates a nice base. And then I'll even kind of blend that powder into the brow a little bit, because sometimes the brow will be kind of like moist from everything I primed it with. Then I'm gonna use my Benefit brow. Y'all know I love my Benefit brow. Y'all hear my stomach? I am so hungry. This is early in the morning, but I want to get this out for you guys. But yeah, filling in those brows. I'm using Smoke Sessions, and I'm also using my Juvia's Place palette. I think that's the Nubian 2 palette. It has like all matte shades. I'm gonna use the taupe shade. At first I was gonna use the orange one, but I was like, no, that's not the way. I'm gonna use the taupe one. So I used the taupe one, and love it. Okay, y'all, I had to stop and say something. Why am I listening to this Kanye song? And Kanye's like, my dog said you ain't no freak, so you gotta prove my man wrong. Yo, he a demon. That's when we should have known. That's when we should have known not to mess with Kanye. Back to the video. Next, I'm gonna dip into that dark green shade from the Smoke Sessions palette, and I'm gonna work with this color a little bit and kind of blend it out. Y'all, this shadow palette is not my favorite, but I love the colors, and it sucks that it's so hard to blend these shades, y'all. Okay, y'all, I have one more thing to say. Like, can you believe this dude said, I got a light-skinned friend, look like Michael Jackson, got a dark-skinned friend, look like Michael Jackson. That was iconic, iconic. I'm done, like, I'm done playing with y'all. Iconic. I gotta go. Alright, getting back into that eyeshadow. Like I said, I do not like the way this eyeshadow blends. As you can see, it's kind of patchy. Like, it's not moisturizing enough to like really blend well. I love Juvia's Place palettes, so I definitely want to get me another palette. I have a lot of Juvia's Place palettes, but I just love this green. Like, this is like my favorite like palette as far as colors. I love green. But, you know, I did my best and I just worked with it. So now I'm going to use this Nyx Cream. Y'all, this is the highlight of the look. Like, this made the look. And it's like this turquoise kind of reflective shade. And it's so pigmented. And it's cream to foil. And I just love it. I actually want to go back and get hella. Because why, like, if you don't have to use, like, honestly, for my matte shades, because I've tried her matte cream, I think I prefer the foil, so I definitely want to go get some more foil shades. The matte ones, I don't know how I feel. I have to work with them a little bit more, but this, beautiful. And now I'm going to grab this Born This Way foundation. Y'all know I love this foundation. This is my holy grail. Honestly, nothing beats this. I can try a million foundations and I'll still go back to this foundation. As you can see, it is just such a beautiful coverage and it just looks like skin and it just blends perfectly. Like, I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. Like, honestly, at this point, I'm gonna do a foundation video and I'm never doing my foundation again because I literally just like to use the same things and it's just sad. You know, but since I've been doing freelance makeup, I kind of want to experiment a lot more because you have to try different things because what works for me does not work for everybody, okay? This is my holy grail, okay? So the Born This Way concealer, obviously another holy grail. I'll forever love this concealer. And the combination together is beautiful. As you can see, I'm highlighting the areas I need to highlight, obviously. You know, and, you know, I'm making myself look very beautiful. You know, highlighting those parts of my face, you know, really brightening it up because right now I'm looking real flat. And honestly, a lot of people don't realize the reason why we highlight and contour is not for real life. It is for pictures and it's for the stage. You know what I'm saying? This is a stage beat. Like full glams are, you better get photographed, babe. So I like to let this dry as well, y'all. Try to let it dry a little bit because it just helps it kind of stay really pigmented. Y'all see in the way it blends out. Y'all see how this blended out beautifully? Like, do y'all see why this is my holy grail? Like, come on. Like, come on. Like, do not play with Too Faced. Honestly, I really want to buy every single color for my makeup kit. The reason why I want to experiment with other things is because, like I said, everybody's skin is not like mine, but I feel like if I prep right, I can do it. So now we're moving on to some Laura Mercier powder. Y'all already know I'm always coming with the Laura Mercier. I have been experimenting with other powders, but I don't have my shade in the Miron powder. I only have like my exact skin shade, and it's just too dark. So I think did I use my Miron powder? No, I think I was using my Huda Beauty Glowish powder, and I'm blending it all together so it's like more seamless, and it adds like a natural healthy glow. Huda, you did your thing with that powder, babe. Like, thank you. And look, y'all, I'm gonna contour with this Juvia's Place. Y'all see how nice this powder is. Like I said in my other videos, I don't contour too much. I know some people need a little bit more contour, but y'all see these cheekbones. They be cheekboning. And I'm gonna highlight with my holy grail, y'all. This is a cheap e.l.f. Like highlighter, and I love this highlighter because it's very light and subtle, and it's not like overwhelming, because I have not been liking the blinding highlight. Like, this one looks more like skin. It's You know what I'm saying? So love it. By e.l.f. And I'm highlighting my favorite areas, you know, my cheekbones. I like to highlight down my nose, you know, on top of my lip. You know, y'all know the drill. And I'm also using this NYX blush. I don't even know if NYX still makes this, but I love this blush because it also has some shimmer in it. Like, y'all see this? It's a beautiful blush. Like, honestly, it's the only blush I really like to use. Like, I need to find more blushes like this. So now I'm grabbing that cream eyeshadow and I'm putting it in like my inner corner. And then I'm gonna take this green shade, which I don't think I mentioned this because I was so busy yapping, but I actually put like a dark green shade on the outside of my eye to kind of blend the light blue and the green. So I'm gonna put that shade on the outside of my corner. And that's from the Smoke Session. It's from the Smoke Session palette. And I actually really like this shade. It's like a shimmery green. I honestly, it was moving really quick, so I kind of forgot. Now we're gonna move on to lips. I'm using ColourPop. I think this is BFF. You guys, ColourPop has some of the best lip liners on the market. Fight your mama. Like, do not fight me. Like, ColourPop is pigmented. It's inexpensive. Like, come on. Y'all see the color payoff? Like, this is just from a goddamn, like, this is from a lip pencil. From a goddamn lip pencil. Yes. And now I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills. I forgot what this shade is, but I'm going to try to link it below. Y'all, look at this combo. Such a beautiful combination. And then I'm going to add my beauty store lip gloss. Y'all know, first of all, if you do not have beauty store lip gloss, what are you doing with your life? Like, I think you need to go to the beauty store. And that's the look. We're going to put a little setting spray. This Danessa Myricks setting spray, the dewy one, is chef's kiss. Alright guys, so this is the finished look, and let's just say I love it. I love it. Like, I look awesome. Like, your girl is beat to the gods. Like, I really sat down and just was like, I'm not finna play with you bitches. I'm not gonna play with you bitches. So if you guys like this look, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications because we're pulling looks all summer. It's a hot girl summer and your girl is single. So yeah, we pulling looks all summer, and baby, this look, y'all, honestly, I just want to pull a look like my full body. Honestly, I just threw this on for the video, but I'm looking bad. I'm looking too bad. Like, I'm scared at how bad I look right now. Like, bad as in a bad bitch. Bad as in that girl. Okay? She is not one of them. She is not to be played with. I will see y'all in the next video.